Good morning, beautiful people. It's early morning and we are going to drive to, I think it's towards 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀 region. Fly there with
Every time I'm with you, girl, you make me everybody sees it too. Thought our love was true. Now you're leaving my heart out. Left me high and dry. Thought we make it.
We arrived and it's a beautiful location just next to the river here. It's about, I think, 5-10 minutes walk. Can't drive further because it's big holes in the road. So much bird singing. Just beautiful nature here. We moved to the beach. It's 9 drones, so reception connection is very bad. Almost all batteries are dead now, so we will go to the beach and just look at the nature. So fantastically beautiful here. It's too hot. We had to stop flying. So now we're going to buy something to drink to cool down. Thank you guys for joining today. It's been an amazing day and hope to see you soon.